sorry, what?
Okay, walking through what we do, so just a regular smegular day whenever we're in here printing or whenever we're printing, period. We're also live on YouTube as well.
Okay.
Okay, so we just finished what?
22 by 120.
Yeah.
This Lisa's vinyl. We printed 2 of these. And now we're printing Daniel's food truck merch.
Okay.
He has ordered from us in the past, so he is back.
Okay, hold on one second.
Okay, we're gonna re-upload it.
No, that's fine.
Okay, so after we finish this big file, we're gonna do a 22 by 120. We are going to do a print head cleaning. So we would go here and we would hit clean all, and they have weak, normal, or strong. So just depending on what we feel like we need at that moment. And then we come back to Dev Studio. I already have Daniel uploaded into our Dev Studio. We have him at 8 pass.
And do we have to mirror or anything?
No, in our settings right here, we have it automatically mirror. So whatever we put in is the correct way, and then the system will mirror it at the printer.
Yes.
So if you can see here, we have our white background.
Now, did you have to rip this software, or were you able to just drag and drop?
Drag and drop. No ripping necessary in Dev Studio.
You just drag and drop. It's that easy. And then just hit print, or what are you hitting it?
Yeah, do you need more cleaning?
No, I think 2 is fine.
Okay. So
Oh, the header.
oh yeah, then we always have our starter, and we print that at 4 passes. It's not gonna be printed, so I'm gonna go ahead and print that before every order.
Because it's not going to be pressed.
Sorry, yeah, it's not gonna be pressed.
So we do this at the top of every order. Again, it's not mirrored. We're not having to do anything schmancy. You just dragged and dropped it, and now you guys see it over there printed. That's how simple it is with Dev Studio. And yes, Dev Studio is available from Amaki printers as well. So it's not just limited to our style printer. There's a lot of printers, all those prestige printers. There's a ton of printers that Dev Studio can be used with.
So we're gonna go ahead and get Daniel ready. Make sure he's at 8 pass. Make sure he has the white behind him. Once that one is finished, it's ready.
Yep, and you're not limited with Dev Studio to like a game sheet or an image. It doesn't matter. With however you want to add it on there, you just add it on there. So it's...
If we wanted to, we can put all of our gear of the day in one row right there.
Yep.
But we like to keep them separate just for organization purposes.
Yeah, especially if we're pausing one, like we just had an issue and we need to go fix it. So I'm gonna walk you guys over here to this, over here. We're also live on YouTube, and you guys will see these colors. And this one is very special to me, these blues and reds. Color accuracy is very important to me. So I wanna show you guys how accurate we are, how accurate our color profile is. So you're seeing it here, but once that white is behind it, I'll show you guys what it looks like here. This is the 120? Oh, it's just a little 24, okay. It's gonna be a very short run, but.
Shout out to Daniel. Thank you, Daniel, for your order. It is currently being printed. Daniel also needed a vector from Plastic, so we were able to get his vector going and give him a high resolution image for his food truck merch. So shout out to Daniel. Thank you for your order.
Yes. And Daniel has a little like ghosting effect there too. So I also want to see, I think for a test, I'm also going to print this at 6 pass and give Daniel 2 gang sheets. I want to see what the 6 pass does for that. And we're going to give you 2 gang sheets, Daniel. You're going to get 2 gang sheets. And as soon as this drops down, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the other side, and we can see those colors. Just look at that white coverage of like 8 pass. It's laying down a lot of things. And then I'll walk over there and show you guys the color accuracy as well. You guys are seeing it there, and then look at the color accuracy on our monitor as well here. Right, and then we'll show it over here. Again, remember, an ICC profile is always going to be different from like the camera. My iPhone camera picking up that color is different than the resolution on that HP monitor showing the color. So that's, for us, our eye here in the shop is a lot more accurate what we're seeing versus what's being shown on camera. There it is right there, and look, the color accuracy is crazy. Because for here, for you guys, I don't know, it looks a little more yellow, but on camera, it looks a little like a hint of orange a little bit. And then this is the file, that's the image right there. Again, at 8 pass. And I was super excited. Again, we're gonna knock it out at 6 pass as well, but I just wanted to show you guys and say thank you to Mr. What's his name? Daniel. Where's this food truck at? Okay, well, Mr. Daniel, shout out to you and good luck on your food truck. We're so glad that you chose us, Flash Custom Transfers, to support you. We truly appreciate your order, and we hope to be able to serve you more. Again, we're going to do this again, so you're going to get 2 gang sheets. We're going to hopefully you're able to make more shirts with that second gang sheet, and actually let us know which one you like. Let us know if you like what label, number 1 and number 2, and let us know which gang sheet you prefer. So all Chelly has to do to print this again at 6 pass, if this moves forward, I actually up this to 5, get this moving. So while that does that, all Chelly has to do to change the pass, and she's almost done with this 22 by 24. Super easy. So we're just gonna let it be done.
You don't want to do any cleanings in between?
No, we can just go right into 6. Do you think we should? Yeah, we'll just do a little quick normal. All right, so we're gonna do 1 quick normal. I'll actually gotta give me time for my pickup to come up. So because we're testing, we want to make sure it comes out perfect. Yep, Chelly's going to do a quick all normal. Boom, clean that out. Now while that's doing that, my feed is going to come here. We're also having our feed here. This looks good. Chelly is very particular about her slack. Don't touch her slack, not touch her slack. So while that's doing that, a normal cleaning is very quick, and then we're going to go right into a 6 pass of the same game sheet. And this way we'll put number 1 for number 1 and number 2. We won't let him know which pass, and then he can choose which one he likes. And these are just little experiments that we do again. This film is being tested live for all our customers, and we have a bunch of other films that are being tested. And we've had only good reviews so far.
So far, so good. Yeah, they keep coming back.
Yeah, exactly. Well, normal cleaning is very fast. And again, you don't even have to do that step. You could have just went right next, but again, we're super particular about what we do when it comes to printing. We're always taking extra steps to make sure that each person's game sheet comes out like it's supposed to. So we're raising the resolution or doing whatever we can. Now she's gonna go down to 6. That's it. Print. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It's literally the click of a button. 6 pass. Boom. Now it's gonna print at 6 pass. So now we're gonna compare the 8 pass to the 6. Let's get some good looks. Look at these colors. Look at the color accuracy. That's the ICC profile built into Dev Studio. Now it's not as many as passes. Usually 6 pass is a little more refined when it comes to splatter, but 6 pass is so much faster. It doesn't lay down as much ink than YouTube over here. But again, I think he's gonna like them both. I don't think there's really gonna be a preference. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on TikTok, hit that like button. And oh, look at all the colors going on in the camera. I don't know what that was. But we appreciate everything, guys. FlashCustomTransfers.com. Check us out. Shout out to Kyray Transfer. Shout out to Bregacy. Shout out to Houston DTF Transfers. All our friends in the industry. Thank you for everything. We appreciate working with you guys. And again, thank you to all of our customers. Stay tuned for the next video.